The Port Authority restored the vessel and retrieved all 165 containers after 5 months of salvage operation ending Saturday, the 17th of September.
The container vessel plying on coastal shipping route between India and Bangladesh capsized around 10:40 a.m. on the 24th of March just after loading operations had been completed. The accident was apparently caused by the erroneous manner in which the cargo was loaded. There were 165 containers on board, 77 on deck and 88 containers on hold. Several of the containers had fallen off the deck into the water. The Kolkata Port Authority also rescued 15 crew of the vessel. The owner of M.S. Marine Trust Limited engaged M.S. Gill Marine as a salver for refloating and restoring the vessels, but the salvage operations were suspended after the authority abandoned the container vessel and refused to bear the cost of salvage operation. But the Kolkata Port Trust, Co-PT, then resumed the salvage operation and refloated the vessel. On reflotation, the owner of the vessel, Marine Trust Limited, has requested permission to tow the vessel back to Bangladesh.
The 83-meter-long cargo ship was built in 2018. The ship left Chattogram on the 20th of March to carry goods from Kolkata. The cargo ship belongs to Marine Trust Limited, which usually transports containers through domestic marine routes. They also carry goods on the Dhaka-Chattogram route from Kolkata under the India-Bangladesh Shipping Protocol Agreement.